Hey Dino Explorers! Ever dreamed of having your very own pet T-Rex? Or maybe a gentle Brontosaurus? What if you could build an entire prehistoric world just for them? Get ready for an amazing adventure, because today, we're going to unleash our creativity and craft a dinosaur paradise. Get ready to unleash your imagination and dive into some super fun creative crafting. We're going to use simple stuff you can find right at home to create an incredible prehistoric home for all our dinosaur friends. This DIY project is packed with educational fun and imaginative play. Our awesome challenge today is to transform a plain old shoebox into an epic dinosaur landscape. Dinosaurs need a place to roam, forest to hide in, and a sparkling river to drink from. This is where our creative crafting truly begins. First up, let's make the ground. We'll paint the inside green for lush grass and brown for muddy dirt. A little bit of sand sprinkled on top of wet glue will make it look super real and add amazing texture to our world. Amazing work, explorers! Now, every dino world needs nature to thrive. Let's use small twigs from the yard to create an ancient, towering forest. We can stick them into little blobs of green play-doh to make them stand up tall and strong. For a sparkling river, just cut a wavy strip of blue paper and glue it down. Look how our world is already coming to life. This creative crafting is so much fun, and it's all about imaginative play. Okay, explorers, get ready for the most epic part of our adventure. Every awesome dinosaur world needs a thrilling, erupting volcano. This is where the entertainment really heats up. We'll use a small plastic bottle and build a mighty mountain around it with brown Play-Doh. Now for the eruption. With a grown-up's help, we add a little baking soda, a drop of red food coloring, and pour in the vinegar. Whoa! A real lava eruption, right in our dino world. Check it out, we did it! We built an amazing dinosaur world with a lush forest, a sparkling river, and a super cool erupting volcano. Our dinosaurs now have the perfect prehistoric home, all thanks to our incredible DIY project and creative crafting skills. This was such an adventurous and fun way to learn and play. You've shown incredible creativity and imagination today. Wasn't that an absolute blast? If you had fun building your own dinosaur world, give this video a huge thumbs up. Tell us in the comments below, what's your favorite dinosaur? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more energetic, adventurous, and fun DIY projects and creative crafting ideas. Keep exploring, keep creating, and we'll see you on our next adventure.